Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage your portfolio with Robinhood, complete guide step by step clearly. Open Robinhood and log into your account. Familiarize yourself with the user interface. Access the portfolio section from the main dashboard. Review your current investments displayed under your portfolio. To add a new investment, tap on the search bar. Type the name or ticker symbol of the stock or ETF you want to buy. Select the appropriate option from the search results. Tap on the Trade button to begin your transaction. Choose Buy to purchase shares of the selected investment. Enter the number of shares you wish to buy. Review the estimated cost, including any fees. Confirm your order to complete the transaction. To monitor your investments, return to your portfolio overview. Check performance metrics, including percent change and current value. Use the historical data option for more detailed performance insights. If you want to sell stocks, go back to your portfolio. Select the investment you wish to sell. Tap on the Trade button again and select Sell. Enter the number of shares you would like to sell. Review the sale details carefully before confirming the order. To adjust your investment strategy, utilize the research tools available. Explore the news and updates for stocks in your portfolio. Use this information to make informed decisions about buying or selling. Set alerts for price movements on shares in your portfolio. This will help you stay updated on important changes. Regularly check your portfolio to assess its performance and diversification. Consider rebalancing your portfolio if certain investments become overrepresented. Monitor any fees associated with your trades and maintain awareness of your overall costs. Take advantage of Robinhood's educational resources for additional guidance. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.